Today I'm going to let you in on a little secret to make your shots even better and get some really nice, interesting images. Just come here a little closer and I'll let you in on this. Don't zoom. Hi, this is Robert and welcome to another Wilson Snaps video. Camera technology these days is amazing. There's so much you can accomplish with them, whether that is with a professional camera or with your mobile phone. And one of the best things you can use is the zoom function, either on a lens or using the in-apps on your phone. But we actually have a better way and a better technique to compose your images, and that is using your feet. You might be asking why I would bring this up. Well, there's actually a lot of reasons that being able to move about and changing the images without zooming can actually have a much better effect on your photographic performance. I'm going to talk you through a few of the things that by zooming can sometimes cause problems for your photo. One of the first ones is by zooming in and out, you're actually increasing the amount of camera shake, and this can distort your image in certain ways that you would not want. Another big one is how it can affect your aperture. Now, on a lot of basic kit lenses and on your phone, as you zoom in, you're actually sometimes changing the aperture on variable aperture lenses. This can completely change your image and sometimes ruin your shot. But the most important factor is you're actually stopping yourself having a lot of creative freedom while zooming in. One of the main advantages of zooming in is you don't need to get close to your target. But if you actually take the time to move about, you can find different angles and maybe completely find a different shot. This can help you make absolutely different images that you never really thought were possible. Limiting your focal length actually forces you to figure out how to create more creative content, and is something you will find in the real world a lot of professionals actually do. This is going to help you immensely when the situation around you is changing and you have to get out and use your feet to move about and not stay in the one position. If by any chance you're shooting with a changeable lens camera, I would absolutely recommend getting yourself a prime lens. Now, prime lenses are locked in one focal length, and with this, you have to move about. It forces you into that. You can usually find a 50mm focal lens for a prime lens pretty inexpensive, and I would really recommend it if you want to up your photography game. But of course, if all you have is your kit lens, or if you're using a mobile phone, then all you have to do is just lock in a focal length and stay at that, and challenge yourself to try and find better and different angles. I assure you, if you do this, you will start to really develop new skills, and hopefully it will improve your image quality overall. So get out there. Go and try this and see if you can create some really cool shots. I'd actually love it if you put in the comment sections if you've tried this and see if this helped. Well, thanks again for listening to this video. If you have enjoyed this, please feel free to subscribe. All the support helps in creating new and better content for you. And until next time, keep snapping.